Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, you guys, is going to be just kind of a, it's not a decorate, it's, what is it? I'm going to be working in the area where I do my Bible studies, prayer chair area. And the reason I'm doing that is in my Titus 2 group. So if you're new around here, my name's Shakema. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I have a couple of ladies groups that I facilitate. And on Saturday mornings, it's my Titus 2 women's group. And so we're studying a book. We just started this book. Well, we haven't started it in the discussion phase, but it's a interactive Bible study. Donna Parto, Becoming the Woman God Wants Me to Be. And it's a 90-day study, 90-day guide for living the Proverbs 31 life. And so each morning you have spend time with God, and then there's like little things that we have to do. So looking at my prayer chair area, there's just some stuff I need to fix for this. And I want to make sure that I have all of my necessaries. So my Bible, my pens, my pencils. Now my pens are on the other side of the room where the office is, because that's where I keep my office stuff. So what I'm going to do is put together like a little caddy that will house my Bible, my book, my notebook that you have to make with this. Some highlighters. I was using a highlighter this morning. It's about dried out. So highlighters. And then I also have my computer here. It's cool, so I use my little portable heater over here and my cords. And then I have my phone charger, but my cords get all over the place and it drives me insane. I hate the cords. So I thought, hey, while you're putting together your little binder and your little caddy, why don't you just, fix those cords? So I thought you guys might want to come along with me today as I work in this little area. And if you're interested in joining the ladies study, all you have to do is send me an email. Say, hey, Shakema, I'm interested. I need a current picture of you, and then I will, and your YouTube name. And then I will also send you a link to join us. We would love to have you. The ladies and I are very excited about all the things. So anywho, we're going to jump right into this video. Okay, so this is just a little look-see of what I'm talking about. My heater, my portable heater I keep here. Mama, move, mama. Because I'm just cold. Now this collapses, so this will not always be here. This needs to go in the garage. This collapses, this table. But I like it because it slides underneath the chair, and I'm able to either use my computer or I could use my book here. And then I have this little side table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pencils and pens there. But then I always have my cords. So I have the cord for the heater and the cord for my phone and the cord for the computer, which is not plugged in right now. But normally, and I'm tripping over cords because I'm full of cords. So what I'm going to do is take this surge protector. I'm going to put it behind the chair on this side where you can't really see it, but I can still plug in my phone charger. I can plug in the computer from this side over here. I'm watching a video, watching Nail from Neil Kirch Baby. They just moved to Botswana, so I was watching her grocery haul. And then I can also put my, the heater cord can go there because I'm actually going to just put the heater right in there when I'm not using it. So it's easily accessible. And then when I'm not using this table, I'm going to fold it down and push it under the fainting couch. But I'm going to make sure that I have my Bible and my book and my notebook and paper and pens and all the things sitting over here so that it is much more readily accessible. I am going to move the Scentsy. I'm going to move that so my Bible can sit down there. But I'm just going to put some stuff together here. And yeah, just get this little area nice so that when I'm doing my stuff, I'm not, because I've got Bibles over here. I just want to have everything in one area. I do my Monday night meeting over here. I always log who's at the Monday night meeting. So I'm going to move that notebook over here. It's where I put together sermons and all my stuff. Ladies retreats coming up. So I'm going to do all the things over here. guys, so there it is, just that quick and just that fast. It didn't take very long. So I'll share with you what I was able to do. The first thing is get the cords. So sometimes those cords would go all the way around this way, which was not necessary. So I moved the cords. Now it's not pretty back here, but it's moved. So I've got my power cord, and then I have my phone charger. It's just a long phone charger. I've got the lamp in there, and I also have the heater in there, which leaves one space for my computer charger. Down here in this little bucket or basket, move that. I have, move that real fast. I have pens and pencils. I've got thank you notes and cards thinking about you. If I want to just pin somebody a quick message while I'm sitting here in this space, if the Lord brings them to my heart, then I can just do that very quickly. So this is like a basket with, and there's some prayer journals in here, Bible journal stuff. There's some stickers for Bible journaling, different pens in here as well. And then here I have my my book I'm reading, the notebook that goes with it, my Bible, and then my Christian planner for my Monday night meeting. I also have a place to put coffee, or I can use that top space. I like a little hand cream sometimes, so that is what's there. But all in all, you know, this is my space. I can also, like I said, take this whole table. This whole table will go down. And also the computer as well. So the computer can be moved. This desk can be moved. And I have everything I need in that one little space to spend time with the Lord, prayer, reading the Bible, working on prayer stuff, working on sermons, all those types of things. So it just took a few minutes to get that little area squared away. If you have an area in your home that you feel like would be good for that, I say go for it. Who's to say what the Lord wants to do? He wants to spend time with us, get alone with us, and that just helped me do it. So there it is, you guys. Just a quick little put together of that prayer chair space. I just needed to move a few things, and now everything is where it needs to be. I am so excited that you decided to join me, you guys. Again, if you're interested in the ladies study, go ahead and give me an email, one mom, two girls, two boys at 8inall@gmail.com. Be happy to include you. I just need a current photo, and I will send you a meeting link. So there it is, you guys. Hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, share it if you feel like there's something that would help somebody else, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.